Hi guys, welcome to this new video. So yeah, today we're gonna take a small tour here at the office, and I wanted to do a special video. We've been doing a lot of 3D lately, so a little bit of how things are recorded here, a little bit of the studio, the setup. You guys are gonna be able to see it. This is the first time I'm actually recording like this, so I'm sorry if the angle is wrong. I'm like looking over there at the screen, but I should be looking at you guys. So yeah, let's go. Okay, let's start where I normally start. So I'm gonna go all the way back here, and this is like the small room that we have. I'm gonna go to the other side of the camera, guys. I'm gonna take you through a small little tour. Maybe a little bit of story as well, right? So this one right here, this is a shield that my brother gave me. You guys have seen the axe, huge fantasy nerd, so he gave me this for my birthday last year. And this is just a small kitchen. This is where my 3D printer is. It's out of use right now because I haven't found a replacement piece that I need. But this is where I normally do my 3D printing. Then over here I have all of my library, my small library collection, all of the books that I've gathered throughout the years. Art reference, movie reference, game references. I'm a huge fan of Scott Campbell. I got this poster a couple years ago. I got him to sign it as well. And yeah, so this is my little like a special corner. Then over here we have my painting corner, which is a mess right now. This is where I normally paint my miniatures, the ones that I 3D print and everything. And yeah, this is part of the thing. Over here, a couple of posters that I printed out just to decorate the place. And here, the special place. This is the Dungeons and Dragons corner. So all of my D&D collection, books, miniatures, dice. A lot of different things. There's a couple of miniatures that I've painted, like this guy's over here. Let's see if we can get the autofocus. There we go. And yeah, so all of this is like my hobby corner, right? So I try to use this spot to relax whenever I need to bend a little bit and just get some energy back before going back to work. This is where I go to. Over here, that's my work laptop. That's the one that I usually take to the schools when I'm teaching, because otherwise it would be pretty impossible to take everything else. And this is the big setup. So, yep, there you go. That's my streaming setup, guys. The camera is normally over there, and this is where I work. As you can see, I got double monitors, and I got my Huion Canvas 16. This is a 16-inch tablet. Works pretty nice for the space that I have. That's I think I've talked about this one before. That's a desk that you can like move up and down, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, something that I want to share. This is very funny. This is my Mexican solution for soft lights. So I call them the Mexican soft boxes because it's just a light bulb, like a huge light bulb. Might be a little bit difficult to see there. And I bought this like nylon cloth and just placed it on top, and that diffuses the light. So we get some nice light information on my face when I'm recording. Of course, we got the soundproofing because this is a relatively small area, so there was a lot of echo before I added the soundproofing. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me turn this around, and there we go. So yeah, this is my studio, guys. This is where I record. This is where I do all of the 3D stuff for you guys. And this is my office. This is where I work, my little secret area, if you wish. It's like a man's cave. So yeah, hope you guys liked it. I know this was a little bit of a different video, but I just want to share a little bit of myself, of my like workplace with you guys, so that you can see that I'm not just a dude that does 3D. There's a lot of stuff. Everyone has a lot of stuff about them, right? So hope you liked it. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you back tomorrow. Make sure to leave suggestions. I'm looking for suggestions, more things to do, because I'm running out of ideas. So of course we can do more modelings and more sculpting, but I would like to know what kind of things you guys want to see. So make sure to leave them down here in the comments, and I'll see you back on the next one. Bye bye.